If you want to learn how to do face rotation in Blender quickly and correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to rotate a face in edit mode, step by step, so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Blender. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump into Blender. First, you need to select the object you want to work on in the 3D viewport. This could be a cube, a model, or any mesh object where you want to rotate a specific face. Once your object is selected, press Tab on your keyboard to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode is where you can edit the geometry of your mesh, including vertices, edges, and faces. Now that you're in Edit Mode, press 3 on your keyboard to switch to Face Select mode. This is important because Blender has different selection modes, and Face Select lets you choose entire faces instead of vertices or edges. Once Face Select is active, click on the face you want to rotate. You can select a single face, or if needed, select multiple faces, depending on the shape you're trying to adjust. After selecting the face, press R on your keyboard. This activates the Rotate tool. As soon as you move your mouse, you'll see the face begin to rotate. This is the basic way to rotate a face freely in Blender, and it's the fastest method if you just want to make a quick adjustment. Move the mouse until the face is positioned the way you want it, then click to confirm the rotation. If you want more control, you can constrain the rotation to a specific axis. After pressing R, press X, Y, or Z to lock the rotation to that axis. For example, pressing X will rotate the face only around the X-axis, pressing Y will constrain it to the Y-axis, and pressing Z will constrain it to the Z-axis. This is especially useful when you need the face to stay aligned in a specific direction and avoid unwanted twisting. A quick tip, if the face doesn't seem to rotate the way you expect, make sure you're still in edit mode and that the correct face is selected. Blender is very precise, so even a small selection difference can change the result. Also, remember that pressing R and then an axis key gives you more accurate control than rotating freely with the mouse. Once you're happy with the new angle, click to confirm the rotation. That's it, your face is now rotated successfully. This simple workflow is one of the most useful Blender basics to know, especially when you're modeling buildings, props, hard surface objects, or making small shape adjustments. So just to recap, select your object, press Tab to enter Edit Mode, press 3 for Face Select, choose the face, press R to rotate, optionally press X, Y, or Z to constrain the axis, and click to confirm. Once you get comfortable with this, rotating faces in Blender becomes second nature. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials, beginner guides, and quick workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.